steak on, but you see my skillet is smoking, smoking, smoking hot. And that's just the way you want it to be before you get ready to put a steak in it. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. I'm going to crank my heat up just a little bit. And then the top, I'm just going to come in with some salt. And usually you can season these salts kind of heavy. You want this to go maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes on this side. It's going to finish up in the oven. 3-4 minutes on this side. You can salt these kind of heavy too, because these thick pieces of meat can hold a lot of salt, and it's nothing worse than getting a steak that has absolutely no flavor. So we're gonna let this puppy crank up, and I'll be back. While my steak is cooking, I've got my oven preheating to 350, and I've got the things that I'm going to be putting in the steak here. I've got fresh garlic, I've got thyme, and I've got rosemary, and I've got butter. I love butter on my steak. That's probably not enough, but do as you will. It's your steak. Also, when you put your steak in here, please do not move it around. Don't bother it. It has to get that nice crust on the bottom. But as I turn it right now, you also have to cook your steak on this side here, because it's going to be extremely fatty looking. So I just grab it, and then I fry it like this. We're going to look at this other side, how pretty that is. And once this side cooks just a little bit, I am then going to flip the steak down. Oh, it's getting hot. I'm going to flip the steak down on the other side, put my butter in, the herbs, and start kind of, you know. It's kind of hard to do holding this in my hand though. But you want to make sure that fat is good and brown. And then you want to go ahead and flip that puppy over. Just like that. You're going to throw your butter in. I'll throw my garlic in. And I like a lot of garlic. I like a lot of garlic. But now I'm going to have to go, because I have to get this with a spoon and start basting it over this. So I'll be back. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. I'll just be basting all of this, pulling all my garlic up. Booga, come get Holly. Holly, I don't want her in here, Booga. I'm letting that go. And I like a lot of thyme. Uh-oh, it will start popping, so be careful. I like a lot of thyme on mine. And sometimes I'll just take it kind of and use this as a brush. Let me show you what I mean. It'll pop. Uh-oh. And then I just, you know, get some of the butter. Like that. Come get Holly out of here, Booga. Thank you. And I'll set it like that. And I'm still waiting for my oven to reach 350 while this is going. I think I'm giving it about 4 minutes on each side. I'm spilling stuff out. But I just want to baste it. All of that butter on there. Get everything up. Holly, you the loudest one, baby. I'm trying to film. And once I get it up and good like that, I'll take it. And it's about 350 now. But that's looking really, really, really good. And then just like this is going to go in the oven for at 350. You guys hear Holly back there? She turns up. Okay, go you guys out, please. Holly, go, baby. Out. Yes, you girl. Out. I have to open the stove. Okay, so I'm going to cut my fire off. And then I'm going to pop this here in the stove, just like that. Hear that? Woo! Yes, Lord. So I'm back, and my steak is lovely. It's straight out the oven. And it's imperative. I think I let it stay in here about 10 minutes or so. You have to kind of decide what your preference is, because some people like their steak a little more raw. My husband likes his well done. I like mine's medium well. We'll see what we came up with this one. But once it's done, I remove it from the skillet and I place it on the cutting board. And I kind of just let it sit. Rule is you never, ever, 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 ever cut a steak straight out of the oven. So I'm just going to let it rest here for about 10 minutes. And then I will be back to slice it so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. So I am back, and I'm going to begin to cut this steak down. So I'm just going to take all this stuff off. It's been resting for a little longer than 10 minutes, simply because I had a guest come over. But I'm just going to start cutting it. And I like to cut a steak this big, really thin, just like that, in little pieces. And you always cut the steak against the grain. Against the grain. So I'll be back once it's all cut up. So this is the finished product. And I'm going to tell you, this meat, oh yeah, that was really, really good. It is really, really good. And it is seasoned really, really good. And I just cut it off the bone. And then as the day goes by, people come in here and just grab a piece or two. And that's about it. No, I'm going to enjoy the steak right now, because it is truly off the hook. Love you guys. Bye.